Hello and welcome to today's class. Let's look at yet the fifth method of evaluating the limit of a function called series expansion method. For series expansion method, there are several things you need to note, and those things are written in front of you. So note that the expression for exponential x is 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x power 4 over 4 factorial plus it continues. So note this expression for each of the term here, right? So having said this, let's now take a few problems under this and let's how we get this done. So I'm having the limit of x sine x over x as x tends to 0. How do you solve this problem? Using the idea of series expansion method. Your ability to solve this to apply this method is for you to know all this on your head, right? Try to master them and then digest them as easy as that. All right, from here, my very first task is that I have the limit solution. I have the limit as x tends to 0 of sine x over x. This is equal to what sine x expression? Of course, sine x is given as what? Every expression here. So I'll repeat everything here. So sine x is what? X minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 over 5 factorial minus x to the power 7 over 7 factorial plus it continues this way, right? Mind you, I have over x here, all over x. That's the first task. Put that value, that expression here, put them here. Sine x is of course everything here, repeat it here. So I have this. Next task here is to divide by x, right? So the task says that I want to try to eliminate fraction. I don't want fraction. So the task now I will divide each of the term here by x, right? So divide by x. So divide by just x, this x here, so that our everything will be eliminated. So pick out the first term, that's x over x minus this one here is x cubed over 3 factorial. We said divide by x, so it's over x like this plus x to the power 5 over 5 factorial divided by x, so I have x there minus x to the power 7 over 7 factorial. We said divided by x all over this is x divided by what? X. That's the concept. All right. From here, all I have here, x cancel x here, I'll have 1 minus, this is x cubed. If x cubed cancel just one x, I'll have x squared left. So I have x squared over 3 factorial, right? Plus, this is x to the power 5 over x. This cancel this, I'll have x to the power 4 left. X to the power 4 all over 5 factorial minus x to the power 7 cancel x. That becomes x to the power 6. X to the power 6 over what there? 7 factorial. So all over x is of course 1. And we know that anything divided by 1 is that thing. So I'll be having just 1 minus x to squared over 3 factorial plus x to the power 4 over 5 factorial minus x to the power 6 over 7 factorial. At this point now, I'll now put x as being 0 into the function. This is now equal to 1 plus 0 squared over 3 factorial plus 0 to the power 4 over 5 factorial minus what there? 0 to the power 6 over 7 factorial. This is now equal in value to, I'm having 1 left. I have a 1 plus, this is 0 plus 0 minus 0. My final answer here is equal to 1. So this is how to evaluate problems when it comes to the series expansion method. So these are to solve problems involving the series expansion method. Just try to put the given variable expression into the equation, into the function, then you solve this way and then you are done. Let's take just one more example and then we'll call it a day for series expansion method. Hold on guys a little bit. Let me tell you what you need to know. Actually, I'm running a membership program, right, which can help you a lot. So to join my channel membership, it's quite easy task, right? As you can see, the icon I'm showing you here, that icon is my membership opportunities, which you can access monthly. So I'll drop the link to the membership in the description of this video, right? So just click there, click on the membership link, so you purchase the one you want. So I have for JAMB and WAEC classes, and also I have for 100 level students. So whichever one suits you, click there and subscribe. If it, perhaps click there and purchase the one of your choice. Anyone you purchase, there are several advantage videos that I will not allow people to see. So it's for only those who have joined the channel that will have access to those even advanced problems. And also I do help students from different countries to solve their assignments. So if you're in UK or abroad or Canada or anywhere you are in the world and you want me to help you do your assignments, you can simply check me, you can simply visit me on my WhatsApp number, or also share this video. I'll drop a link to a website there. In the website, you can register with us and you let us know which assignment you want us to help you to do. Do well to join the channel. Thank you. You can proceed with your learning now. Welcome back. Let's do example 2 using the concept of series expansion method. Let's say we're asked to evaluate this problem. So how do you solve this using the concept of series expansion method? Just try to master this and then you are good to go. Let's solve this problem here. To solve this problem, solution is easy as I'm having a limit as x tends to 0 of 2 sine x all over x. This is equal to, I'm seeing 2, bring out 2 first. Open a bracket, what's sine x? Everything here, that becomes x minus s cubed. Let me just put it here, x minus s cubed over what there? 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 over 5 factorial plus, minus x to the power 7 over what there? 7 factorial plus, it continues in that pattern. So I have this. So that's sine x. So all over, I'm saying x divided by x. At this point here, my next task now is that I will expand this one here. So 2 times x, of course, that will give 2x minus 2 times s cubed over 3 factorial. That will give 2s cubed over what there? 3 factorial plus 2 times s to the power 5 over 5 factorial. I will have 2x to the power 5 over 5 factorial. 2 times s to the power 7, that will be minus 2x to the power 7 over what I'm having here? Over 7 factorial, right? Then plus, it continues in that pattern. So all over what? I'm having x. The task is that I don't want to have fraction. So what I'm having here, x abi. So I will divide everything by x, right? So from here, divide through by x. So divide true by x. What do I have? So this one by x. So I'll have 2x over x. I'm done. Minus 2x cubed over 3 factorial. We said divide by x. So by x will be down. Plus this will give 2x to the power 5 over what there? 5 factorial divided by x minus this will give 2x to the power 7 over 7 factorial then over x and then it continues that way. So all over this is x divided by x over x. So I have this. Next task here is easy. Just simplify as far as I can. This cancel this there. I'll have 2 minus x cubed cancel x. I'll have x squared. So I'll have 2x squared over 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 cancel x. I'll have 2x to the power 4 over 5 factorial minus x to the power 7 cancel x. Now I'll have 2x to the power 6 over 7 factorial. All right. So all over x will give 1. From here, if anything divide 1 is that same thing. So I'll be having 2 minus 2x squared over 3 factorial plus 2x to the power 4 over 5 factorial minus 2x to the power 5 over 6 just to the power 6 over 7 factorial. We said after dividing through by x, put x as what? Put x as 0. So observe, I'm saying if I put x 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, they'll be all 0. So I'll be having just 2 left. So in this case here, my answer is 2. This is how to evaluate problems using the concept of series expansion method. If you found this class helpful, do well to like, leave a comment, share to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. So we have come down to, or perhaps we have finished all the methods of limit, ranging from the substitution method, H method, limit at infinity, L'Hopital's rule, and then series expansion method. We have done the 5 videos. So you can check my playlist on my YouTube page. Check playlist under limit at infinity, then or perhaps you know a function, then you see the videos arranged accordingly from the first one, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. This is our last class here. If you find this class helpful, do it to like, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. See you in the next class, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.